Are we okay? Is it all is this okay with you? Hi, welcome back to my channel. Hi, hello, and welcome if you are new. We do a little bit of this and a little bit of that and just all in between here. And today we're gonna be unboxing or opening actually a little bit of both, unboxing and opening in a box that's open, my FabFitFun winter box. You get these quarterly. They're like, I think they raised the price like $50 some a quarter, but you get a bunch of stuff. You get beauty, skincare, life, home, diet, like they got it all. One thing I want to point out, this box is significantly smaller than all my other boxes I've gotten, given it's very cute. It's quite small, and we're gonna open it together, but I remember picking things that were larger. So we'll open this together and see what I got, because I'm confused. How are you not confused? Of course, filler. On top of the box, we have some goodies. You always have the FabFitFun magazine, which has usually some kind of person that they interview on there, and then editor stuff, what's in your box, a little bit of everything you could have picked, some recipes, and yeah, let's go through and see. Do we have refills? No. The shop, Kiki Palmer's curated picks, trend report, Nancy Twine, her best care advice, hair care, ready, set, glam, weigh it out, treats and snips, 0% alcohol, New Year's goals. This magazine's a little short. They usually give you like a rundown of everything you could have gotten, didn't get, and I don't know if that's all in those 2 pages. Okay, we're doing it together. We'll just go. It'll be fine. Stickers, cute. Those are adorable. I might actually add those to some gifts. And then $15 off your first FabFitFun box with this code here. Pass along the joy to a friend or whomever. Cute. Offer only good for new customers. Purchase. Let's, as I hit myself in the face, let's dig in and find out what's in this rather small box. A whole bunch of stuff before I get to dig in. A whole bunch of stuff in here. HBO Max. Yeah, we got it. Nourish by Nature Made. Oh, they're like little pill packs. Pass. Hello Fresh. Ooh, Sips by. I kind of want to try this one. A whole bunch of teas. I'm gonna set that over here. And wine. I'm not a wine fan. I'm a tequila fan though. Hello Winter. Dry skin, we got you. No, I don't have dry skin, but tell me more. 40% off. Site wide. I can't even open you. I'm gonna pass. We're gonna pass on that. So yeah, a whole bunch of ads. Let's get to digging. Did I think I don't remember picking, honestly. So the total, we're going off the website because there wasn't a lot in the little magazine that we get, so I'm going based off of the website, and my box has a total value of $295.99. That's a lot of dollars. Let's just see what I have. Okay, so there's a few things. All right, we'll start with this one. It is from Billion Dollar Brows. It's a 6-piece Pro Brush Essentials Kit for $62, and it's all in one little package. All in one little package? I like how soft their brushes are. So, of course, I picked this. Okay, yeah, they're all in here. I, for some reason, had it in my head that they were going to be like in a little container or something. They're by themselves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's so messy. But there they are. Okay, cool. 6 brushes. If I can put you back in here, maybe? No? No? Yes. No. Yes. Yeah. Nope. I probably should have looked at how they put them in there. Oh no, I got it. I got it. $65. That's a lot. But I wanted them. You can never have too many brushes. Ever. Ever. And what's next? Next, this is from, Grown Alchemist. It's a body cream in Mandarin Rosemary Leaf for $26. That's what you are, right? Yes. I got this before. These are all things I've gotten before. So I feel like subscription boxes are kind of coming to an end of like new things they can put out. I don't think I got this scent though. You can't smell it because it's sealed. And I haven't used all of my other one yet, so we'll wait. Just a little bit longer. Yeah. But that's pretty cool. $26. Ooh, this next one. Oh, we're big. This is big. Like, I have a big head, so just as a comparison, this is pretty big. It is from Tula Skincare, the Cult Classic Purifying Cleanser for $28. Cool. I've been wanting like a new face kind of thing, and that's good. And it's a good size too. Wow. Usually like the full size face cleansers I get are like this big, same price and everything. I'm like, no. This next one might just be one of the pricier things they have in the box. It's from Dr. BRANDT. It is a collagen serum at $60. Figured I'd give it a try. Why not? After cleansing, gently massage on face, use AM and PM. So if I use this on my face, my whole face, AM and PM, how long do you think it'll last? We are at 1 fluid ounce. I'm gonna say not very long. No. But why not? Give it a try. Ooh, these next ones I picked for the holiday season to help make things a lot easier on me. It's from GLAMNETIC. GLAMNETIC. They're the magnetic lashes. And I've tried them before. I do like the concept, the idea. I did not like the liner, because in order for these cuties to stick, you take the liner, which was a liquid liner at the time, like you dip it in the pot, put it on. It got clumpy after a while, like I'd say 3 uses. No, not my thing, because I had to keep trying to smooth it out and then pull out the little clunky pieces, and it was a mess. It was a mess. So I'm hoping with this little guy here, it looks like it's like a little pencil. It'll be easier. The lashes, they look okay. But yeah, that's cute. Watch them. Oh, how much were you? $59 for lashes. Never have I ever, nor will I ever pay like something that much. And the last thing in my box, which I've gotten before from FabFitFun as well, is this little cutie patootie. It is a LED indoor planter. Do you tell me how much you are? $60. Cute. I like it though. I was pretty skeptical at first when I had one, or when I got my other one. If I can open it, I want to look at it. I wasn't so sure my plants were actually going to take, so just as an experiment, I took some plants that were pretty decent plants, just one, took it to work, put it in my office, which at the time had no windows, no door, like no light, outside light at all, nothing, and they grew for months and months and months, and they grew towards the light, so I was like, oh. And I actually got gifted a couple plants, and they survived, and they're still thriving. So these work. Oh yeah, it's all in here. It's the same as the one that I got before. I love it. I think the one that I got before though, you got like seeds, I think like basil or rosemary or something cute like that. But yeah, that was cute. Put in there. Oh, that's it. That's a whole box. Okay. Normally I get like a gigantic box, and maybe this is like part of FabFitFun trying to go green and make good use of the space that they do have in these boxes, and bring the boxes down to a smaller size if you don't really need that bigger size, which I guess I didn't. For some reason I thought this was going to be a lot bigger. Looks like it got smushed a little, but that's okay. But yeah, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all 6 of my items for my box, my winter box, which valued at $295. That's pretty good for a, what, $55 value, I think is what they're doing now. Still pretty good. I like it. I like all these little things. And I've gotten most of these things already though, so maybe try something new. I mean, maybe I can try something new, because I mean, I didn't have much interest in the other things that they offered. That's why I picked these things, like repeat items that I've already gotten before. So maybe I should try something new. Why not? We'll see though. I don't know. Do you guys find yourselves having to pick things that you normally wouldn't try, or do you play it safe and you pick the stuff that you've already gotten but you know is good? No, that's meh. That's probably all I struggle with. It's not bad. Anyway, I'm gonna break this out and put it up at the house. I will catch you next time. Bye.